From millions of chances, we were united in my womb. You, my child, are a child of the new generation. I've seen you grow into this beautiful soul as I witnessed the challenges and the heartbreak, all the while standing by your side with open arms. I felt rejected in your rebellious years, yet also felt the appreciation and love as we both grew through our lessons and experiences. Yes, you, my child, who is both my challenge and my greatest achievement of love, dreams, and hopes. I hope that you will always have a full stomach, that your face will always shine with a radiant smile, and that your infectious laughter will fill you, and then I will feel the world is all right. I hope that your imagination takes wing and carries you on your dreams. I hope that I can be your rock to anchor your spirit as turbulent winds can be cruel and you can lose your way. You, my child, who I carried 9 months and 10 days, not letting me get a full night's sleep, constantly kicking because you couldn't wait to get out to see the world. You have taught me how to be love and what it means to love unconditionally. You, my beautiful child, helped me discover patience that I never knew I had. I love you and wouldn't do anything differently. You are perfect as you are, with all of your flaws and genius. Thank God, because I'm not doing that again. Love, Mom.